put it on pause?
No, there isn't a pause. We got it right here. Okay, come on. I didn't do it. Ready? You killed it, my birthday! Come on, come on.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, this camera on it. I gotta go somewhere that's near me. Nobody touch me.
You're gonna kill people.
This ain't working.
No, it's not.
I'll just stick with this.
Ow, ow, it hurts so bad.
Wait, do you know how to make the thing grow back?
No.
Oh, come on!
Okay. Come here, doggy.
Yeah. Oh, no, I did.
It hit something.
Oh! Almost there.
That was
I got
so
it.
bad.
I got it, wait. It doesn't want to come back when you look.
My foot.
Sound like the distant cat. I don't know that one song. It's like I used to have these things when I was little. Oh my gosh. Wait. Gotta find a size big. I ain't gonna wear that. Let's wear it.
Hallelujah, Jesus. Watch me move, listen to me. That's creepy. It's so
I
creepy.
used to remember this baby smell. You know, whenever you get a new baby toy?
Oh yeah.
I don't like that smell.
Smells nasty.
Hello? Okay. Dad, kick it back. Dad, kick it back. Come on, she's already waiting at the car.
We're gonna go now. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello, you done?